family business with almost 20 years of tradition. Cobra Yachts allows you to set up your yacht so it looks exactly like the one from your dreams. All constructions are handcrafted with attention to the smallest detail. Our luxurious 10-persons model, Futura 40, provides 50 square meters of floor space. Favorite outdoor places are a 10-meter flybridge and a very comfortable cockpit. The inside is perfect for relaxation thanks to a spacious living rooms with 2 large sofas. After a whole day spent in nature, you can count on a good night's sleep in 3 very comfortable separate bedrooms with private bathrooms. Futura 40 is a model that makes your life easier. It's a yacht ready for any adventure.